Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi settings icon missing from task tray in Windows 11, 10. First method is power flush your system. Press and hold the power button for 60 seconds to turn off your system. Once done, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn on your system. Second method is enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is internet connection troubleshooting. Fourth method is change WLAN auto config service settings. Fifth method is update Wi-Fi adapter driver. Sixth method is network reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.